Hello, Boomies! Today we're back to the UPDA. So, welcome back to my video. S-O-O-O-O-O-O-O-O. Wait, is that Merfilm Flam? BTW, I think that was Flamingo. Ike, what I'm doing, RN. I was just cooking air. BTW, if you didn't know. This is gonna be short. Okay, guys, this way too long.
One eternity later.
Brr.
One eternity later.
BRUHHHHH. I'm just gonna speed this up. Speeding this up again. What do you mean help or on his private server? I'm lazy RN so speed. Oh my god, thunderstorm. I have so many shock. If you didn't join the update, I'm sad you didn't join. What the beanstalk? I have so many shocked beanstalk. Don't mind the lag. Lazy so speed. Arm. Silent asterisk. I wanna post this now. Speeds. Admin abuse. This is the end by Boo. Also credits to Yellow Trees 12344 for the glitch beep. And credits to the one that made the siren sound. And the one that made the One Eternity Later by Moi.